it's Haley. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can recreate my junior bridesmaid and flower girl proposal boxes. So I just started off by showing you everything I got to put inside them. I got the bath bombs, the soap bars, and the nail files from Walmart. I got the cards from Amazon. I got the paint swatches from Home Depot. The ring pop, the nail polish, and the mirror are from the dollar store, and the mirror was originally silver, but I spray painted it gold. And then I got the little frame and the cosmetic bag from Hobby Lobby, and I just painted on the cosmetic bag what I wanted them to say. I started by taking this filling that I got from the dollar store and putting it in both bags and fluffing it up. And then I took off the little wrist part of the cosmetic bag just because I wanted it to fit better in the box. So I stuck that inside, and then I put in the nail files. I put the nail polish, the ring pop, and the soap bar in that too. And then I moved on to my junior bridesmaid one and just repeated the same process. Next, I figured out how I was going to rearrange them. It took me probably 100,000 tries, not even exaggerating, but then I finally got them to look how I liked. And then once I did, I topped them off with the little proposal card and then covered up my box. Originally, I had bought ribbon from Hobby Lobby to wrap around my box, but I ended up liking the look of the twine better. So I took this fake Christmas greenery that I got from Hobby Lobby and I cut off little branches on it, and I made sure to include an acorn on each one. And I tied the twine in 2 really tight knots and just tucked the little branches underneath it, and then I tied a bow on top. Then I grabbed some things I would need to make a little name tag. I ended up using the ribbon as my name tag, so I wrote the name in Sharpie, cut a shape I wanted, and then hole punched and tied it to the twine. And that's the final product for these boxes. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more wedding videos like this in the future, be sure to comment down below. I am going to be posting weekly from now on, so it would mean a lot if you would subscribe. See you next week.